CashGem.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. Now this is a website where you share your links with other people. So at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you a really cool place where you can share referral links. It's a free site that you can use, and I'm going to show you a bunch of other apps that you can use starting today and make money right away as well. So that's some bonus stuff at the end of the video, so stick around for that. And please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. And if you want to get into some full-time, part-time income, working from home or working from anywhere, check out this link in my video description below as well. It's a really cool opportunity. There's about a 1-minute video there you can watch to learn about it. It's very cool. So let's get right into this. CashGem, the caching platform, the #1 caching network. Whatever that means, I don't know. Earn money from anywhere, wherever you are, school, home, work, office, blah, blah, blah. You get a $30 bonus when you sign up. You get $15 for inviting other people. Sounds pretty cool. And like I said, I'm going to show you a place at the end where you can share referral links and stuff like that. But I also want to show you some facts. Some really big facts, if you will. Okay, so you join right here. It says you get $30 bonus when you sign up. You'll earn $15 for every friend that you invite to the site. Place over social media. And then they pay out with Cash App, PayPal, Bitcoin, Venmo, or mail check, and more options coming soon. There's some payment proofs down here, which to me are very sketchy because they're just screenshots that anyone can make. Paid out $46 million according to this, and almost $1 million payouts. So then you get some testimonials, blah blah blah, sponsors. Okay, let's go to this page real quick and look at some very big red flags. You tell me what you think in the comments below about these red flags. So on the payment proofs page, it says they paid out $10 million, which is weird because on the other page, what did they say? They said they paid out $46 million on this other page. So that's not necessarily a red flag, but that's just something shady. About Us. So here's their team members. Okay, so the beginnings. They started in 2015 in Amsterdam. All right. So let's look at some of the big red flags then. First of all, today is what? Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. May 15th, 2020. They say they started in 2015. This is their team. The Whois database tells me that their website was registered on 4/16/2020. There it is, cashgem.co. There's the date this website was registered. So less than a month ago. Less than a month ago. Okay, they said they started in 2015. Bull crap. That's nonsense. You expect me to believe they paid out $10 million or $46 million, depending on what page you're looking at, in less than a month? That's how much they paid out. Let's go back to their team. All right. So here's the thing about their team. Let's go do some image reverse lookups. Oh wow, look at this girl right there. Stock photos. Adobe. What about this guy? Stock photos. What about the other guy? Stock photo. They just pulled these photos off, got stock photos, threw them up on their website, said that these are legitimate, whatever, team members, whatever you want to call it. So come on now. Now let's look at this other thing here. One more thing I'm going to show you, then I'll get you to some legit paying apps. Oh, where's this thing at? Where are we going? Payment proofs, info, terms and conditions. This is pretty funny. Just do a quick search for the number 99 on the terms and condition page. And it says if you are, first of all, you have to be 99 years or older to use this site. If you are under the age of 99, you are not allowed to use the CashGem sites and features nor our services. Some offerings on the CashGem sites and features or our services may be subject to additional age restrictions. So basically what they're telling you is that you must be 99 years or older to use this site. What scam this? What scam this? And by the way, there's 20 or 30 other sites just like this that I did reviews for. But anyways, so that is just a bunch of shadiness. And they have video testimonials. You can usually go on Fiverr and search for spokesperson and hire these people to make video testimonials. I'm not going to go into all that. Let's get to some legitimate paying apps and a place to share links, referral links for legitimate opportunities. And there'll be links down in the video description below. So this is a website I've been using for a while. I have a bunch of cash apps here that I use, and I refer people on them, and I make money from referring people. I make money from using the apps, all kind of different things. There's all kind of different ones here. Here's one for if you're using Lyft and Uber, a website or an app called Fire or Freebird. You get $10 when you sign up with my link. I get $10 when you sign up with my link. Dosh is another one. It's a cashback kind of app. You sync your debit cards, you sync your credit cards, whatever you go shopping with, and then you get cash back onto those cards, or actually to Dosh, not to back to the cards, but to Dosh. Then you have money in there. You cash out with PayPal, Venmo, bank account, and such, and you get money for referring people as well. So use my referral code, and I'll get, I think, $5. Sometimes it's 7, sometimes it's 10. Then we got free stocks here as well from Robinhood. If you use my link, you're gonna get a nice free stock. I'm gonna get a free stock, and then I got some more apps down here for listening to music. You can make $600 per year. This is kind of like a Spotify or iTunes or Apple Music, but you don't have to pay for it. They got really a lot of cool songs and playlists, and just as much as good stuff as those other services. But they actually pay you, and you get even more points. They do point system for referring people, and I've cashed out on this before. I got Amazon gift cards. They do PayPal payouts, all kind of things. Pi Network here is cryptocurrency mining. I've been mining for about, I don't know, 6-9 months on this one. I forget, but it's an invite only, so use my invite code here. Rakuten is another one where you get cash back on when you go shopping and online stuff. You just sync your debit cards, credit cards, whatever you shop with, and you get money back, and you're gonna get $10 bonus when you sign up with my link right here today. And by the way, I'll tell you this in a second. And then you get, I'll get $25 for if you use my link, and then you can share it with your friends as well, and you'll get $25 bonus for those as well. And there's more to here. I'm not gonna go into all of these. Just want to give you a quick brief review. There's Cash App. You probably already have that one. There's Delivery.com. There's Acorn, more free stocks, and a few other ones down here. Pi is another one with the cashback that I've been using, and you can use all these cashback apps simultaneously, and sometimes you get money back from all 3 of them, and that's really cool because it just gets more money back. And then, check it out. And the site that I'm sharing all these links on is a site called Kit, and is a free site that you can sign up with and promote your affiliate links, which is really cool. This is my profile here. Again, there'll be a link in the description below. I have other kits, as they call them. This is just my Cash App kit. I have some other opportunities if you want to check those out as well on my profile. I have a kit here for making money online. I have a kit here for learning affiliate marketing, full-time income. There's the Cash App one I just showed you. Some other stuff like that, becoming a secret shopper, and a bunch of other stuff. You can pretty much, these are very easy to make. When you sign up, you just click sign up. Like I said, it's free, and you just create kits, and then it's pretty cool. Then you give you stats down here, like this has been viewed over 5,000 times. I'm not logged in at the moment, but you get additional stats when you're logged in. And you can follow people and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. And it's a great place. Like I said, any affiliate link you have, it doesn't matter if it's one of your apps or if it's a more serious thing. And by serious thing, I mean like your full-time income kind of money-making apps that I got here, for example. Different ones for making money online. Morning Fame, and just whatever you want to promote here. And you can even put stuff that you don't make money from. I have some links like that as well, like this secret shopper one. These aren't, some of these, I think one of these is an affiliate link, but some of these aren't. So yeah, you can just put whatever you want here, share it with friends and stuff, and you're good to go. But I would definitely stay away from these kind of shady sites where they give you all this fake information and stuff like that. I mean, what are your thoughts? Put them in the comments below. It's just a bunch of nonsense. So anyways, I'll put some videos up about these other apps as well on the screen here now. And subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, smash the like button. That is it for now, and I will talk to you soon.